B stone, as the largest stone inscription in the world, is among the historical works related to the Achaemenid period. This inscription is located in the city of Kermanshah, one of the functions of Harrison County. B stone is one of the most important historical documents during the Achaemenid period, which describes the victory of Darius against the rebels. Therefore, the reason for the construction of B stone can be seen as the demonstration of the power of Darius the Great and his army. B stone area is one of the most important historical monuments of Iran. B stone is a unique collocation of valuable petroglyphs, amazing caves, special historical attractions, and eye-catching nature, which will definitely be an attractive part of your trip to Kermanshah. In the following, I will describe some of the most important parts of the historical collocation of B stone: the petroglyph of Mehrdad, Partish Shrine, amazing caves, material fortress, state of Hercule stone, and the Farhad and Shireen rock. Farhad Trash is a part of B stone mountain which is carved in a special and strange way. This carved rock is about 200 meters wide and 36 meters long, and there are traces of carving and engraving pens on it. Each group has their own opinion about the background of this rock, but the most romantic narrative goes back to Farhad's force to reach water in the heart of B stone mountain, which means reaching Shirin. In fact, the most important part of the story of B stone Kermanshah is tied to the love affairs between Shirin and Farhad. It is said that when Farhad reached for water, the news of Shirin's death reached him. Whatever the story of this huge carving in the heart of the mountain, today it is considered one of the sites of B stone and one of the historical attractions of Kermanshah. Thank you for your beautiful looks.